I'll show you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. So here are the pieces you need. And I'll be showing you how to make it. So first you'll need this. And you put these small sides in like that. And I did this with small pieces. So I'm going to be putting those all the way in. And then since you have this last piece, you use it to cover it. Now you see I have my little one because I put the little one for, oh wait, I messed it up. You're supposed to have one brick out. I forgot to do that. Okay. So this is what it's supposed to look like, but I use small bricks. If you want to make it longer, you can use some of these pieces. So this is basically what I did. I make these pieces like this, so I can make it look better. On this side, this is what you're gonna do. So that's what it should look like so far. That's what it should look like so far. To cover the blade of how the real butterfly does, this is how you cover the blade. So you see how I did that? I'm gonna do one more side. So that's all you need to do. And also, if you want a longer blade, what you can do is grab a piece and push it in. This I made because I like playing the game called Team Fortress. Call the butterfly knife, and also sometimes the thing might fall off. It always does for me. So I hope you guys like this video. Also, I will show you how to make this. It's real working. And also to show you that it actually shoots. That's how it shoots. And also, if I get 10 likes and about 5 subscribers, I will show you how to make this. So subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you all later.